Multicolor 3D printing has completely exploded in popularity, and 2026 has brought incredible new printers that make stunning multicolor prints easier than ever before. But here is the problem. Not every multicolor printer actually delivers on its promises. Some waste filament like crazy, some jam constantly during color changes, and some simply cannot handle complex prints without failing halfway through. Before you spend your hard-earned money, you need to know which printers actually work well and which ones will leave you frustrated and disappointed. In this video, we are counting down the 6 best multicolor 3D printers you can buy right now in 2026. These printers have been tested extensively for reliability, color accuracy, waste reduction, and overall print quality. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced maker, this list will help you avoid costly mistakes. Let's find out which multicolor printer deserves your money. Number 6. Elegoo Neptune 4 Max with Color Engine. Starting our countdown at number 6 is the Elegoo Neptune 4 Max with Color Engine, an affordable entry point into multicolor printing without breaking the bank. This printer features a large build volume perfect for bigger multicolor projects. The color engine attachment allows up to 4 filament colors in a single print. The Clipper-based firmware provides fast print speeds compared to older printers. The dual-gear direct drive extruder handles flexible and standard filaments well. The auto-bed leveling system makes setup incredibly simple for beginners. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Color transitions work reasonably well, though some waste occurs during purging. The build plate has excellent adhesion using a flexible PEI surface. Print quality is solid for the price point, though not flawless on complex color patterns. The cooling system helps maintain consistent quality during long prints. Beginners appreciate how accessible this printer makes multicolor printing. The price point is significantly lower than premium competitors. Community support and modifications are widely available online. Some users report occasional color engine jams requiring manual intervention. When you want to try multicolor printing without major investment, the Neptune 4 Max delivers solid entry-level performance. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra 3 with Ace Pro. At number 5 is the Anycubic Cobra 3 with Ace Pro, a printer that dramatically improved Anycubic's multicolor capabilities. This printer features the Ace Pro system supporting up to 4 filament colors simultaneously. The auto-filament loading system detects and loads filaments automatically. The color change process is faster than previous Anycubic multicolor attempts. The high-speed printing capability reaches impressive speeds without sacrificing quality. The Levi Q auto-leveling system ensures consistent first layers every time. The direct drive extruder handles various filament types reliably. The touchscreen provides clear status updates during multicolor prints. Filament waste has been reduced significantly compared to earlier Anycubic models. The build volume is generous for multicolor projects of various sizes. Print quality on color transitions looks clean and professional. The enclosed design helps with temperature-sensitive filaments like ABS. Users report the Ace Pro system working reliably for extended print sessions. The price point offers excellent value compared to premium alternatives. Software integration through Anycubic Slicer is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Some advanced users still prefer other brands for extremely complex color work. When you want reliable multicolor printing without premium pricing, the Cobra 3 with Ace Pro delivers impressive performance and value. Number 4. Creality K2 Plus with CFS. Coming in at number 4 is the Creality K2 Plus with CFS, a powerhouse printer bringing serious multicolor capability to Creality's lineup. This printer features the color filament system, supporting up to 4 colors with minimal waste. The massive build volume accommodates large multicolor projects with ease. The high-speed Core XY motion system delivers fast printing without quality loss. The auto-bed leveling combined with flow calibration ensures excellent first layers. The enclosed chamber maintains stable temperatures for challenging filaments. The CFS filament switching mechanism works smoothly with minimal purge waste. The touchscreen interface provides comprehensive control and monitoring options. Print quality on multicolor projects looks crisp and professional throughout. The dual-gear extruder handles various filament types, including flexibles, reliably. Users report significantly reduced filament waste compared to competitor systems. The camera system allows remote monitoring of long multicolor prints. Community support has grown rapidly since release, with helpful modifications available. The noise level remains reasonable despite high-speed operation. Some users note the learning curve for CFS calibration takes time initially. When you need serious build volume combined with reliable multicolor capability, the Creality K2 Plus delivers professional-level performance. Number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro with IFS. Taking the third spot is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro with IFS, a printer combining ease of use with genuine multicolor reliability. This printer features the intelligent filament system, supporting up to 4 colors seamlessly. The fully enclosed design provides excellent temperature control for demanding materials. The auto bed leveling and flow calibration work together for consistent quality. The high-speed printing capability reaches impressive velocities without sacrificing accuracy. The direct drive extruder handles flexible and engineering filaments confidently. The built-in camera allows remote monitoring through the companion app. Color transitions look clean, with relatively minimal purge waste noticeable. The touchscreen interface is intuitive even for complete beginners. Print quality remains consistent throughout lengthy multicolor projects. The air filtration system helps with fumes from certain filament types. Users report the IFS system rarely jamming during extended use. The build volume comfortably handles most multicolor projects and models. Software integration is smooth using FlashForge's dedicated slicer application. The noise level stays reasonably quiet during operation compared to competitors. When you want reliable multicolor printing wrapped in a user-friendly package, the Adventurer 5M Pro delivers excellent all-around performance. Number 2. Prusa XL Multi-Tool. Edition securing silver at number 2 is the Prusa XL Multi-Tool Edition, a premium printer using genuine multi-tool head technology instead of filament switching systems. This printer features up to 5 independent tool heads that can each hold different colors. The multi-tool approach eliminates purge waste that plagues filament switching systems. Each tool head parks independently, reducing oozing and stringing issues significantly. The massive build volume accommodates large, complex multicolor projects easily. The automatic bed leveling and mesh compensation ensure flawless first layers. The removable steel sheets make print removal quick and effortless. Color transitions happen instantly without waste, since each nozzle stays loaded. Print quality is exceptional with sharp color boundaries and clean transitions. The open-source firmware allows extensive customization and community modifications. Users consistently praise the reliability that Prusa is famous for delivering. The price point reflects premium positioning but justifies costs through performance. Assembly requires more effort since Prusa often ships as kits requiring build time. The customer support and documentation are considered industry-leading. Community resources and troubleshooting guides are extensive and helpful. When you want the absolute best multicolor quality without filament waste concerns, the Prusa XL Multi-Tool Edition delivers unmatched precision and reliability. Number 1. Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon with AMS2 Pro. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon with AMS2 Pro, the printer that revolutionized multicolor printing, accessibility, and reliability. This printer features the upgraded AMS2 Pro system supporting up to 16 colors across 4 units. The LiDAR sensor enables automatic first-layer inspection, catching problems before they ruin prints. The high-speed Core XY system delivers exceptional print speeds without sacrificing quality. The enclosed chamber maintains perfect temperature control for demanding engineering filaments. The AI-powered error detection monitors prints and pauses automatically if issues occur. Color transitions are remarkably clean with industry-leading waste reduction technology. The touchscreen and app integration provide seamless control from anywhere. Print quality on complex multicolor models looks absolutely professional and flawless. The auto bed leveling combined with flow calibration ensures consistent, perfect results. Users consistently report minimal jams even during extremely long multicolor prints. The camera system provides excellent remote monitoring with time-lapse capabilities. Software integration through Bamboo Studio is intuitive yet powerful for advanced users. The community and ecosystem support are unmatched in the current market. Some users note the closed ecosystem limits certain customizations compared to open-source alternatives. When you want the absolute best multicolor printing experience with proven reliability, the Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon with AMS2 Pro stands as the undisputed champion of 2026.